Karin, you recently said that some workplaces don't need another training or another workshop. They just need better manners. Now, what did you mean by that?
Yeah, sometimes workplace culture starts with really basic things, such as a simple hello, please, and thank you.
Well, that sounds almost too simple. Now, can these words really make a difference?
Absolutely. Those words tell you that a person feels seen, respected, and appreciated. So when a manager walks by an employee in the morning without saying good morning, or uh, please when they want something, or a simple thank you, this has a huge
Hmm.
impact on the workplace culture, and there's research behind it.
Hmm. Well, Karin, some leaders, perhaps most leaders, have a lot on their plate. They are swamped with work. And
Mhm,
they might say, well, I'm busy. I don't really have time for this small talk.
mhm. Well, hello isn't small talk. This is basic uh, human acknowledgement. So it takes literally 2 seconds to say hello to someone and use their name. So it's super, super important.
So, what message gets sent when leaders don't do any of these things?
Well, it makes people feel invisible, not respected, and not appreciated. And I see this quite a lot in our corporate environments. And it's very sad because it's such a simple fix.
Hmm. True. But are you saying that companies don't need leadership training or coaching anymore?
Oh, of course, leadership training and coaching is important when leaders want to learn new skills, they want to learn and to grow. But I also say you don't need another big program or initiative. If you don't want to invest in training, start with those basics and you will see a difference, I promise.
Okay, now, Karen, if you were to pick one thing that you truly believe leaders should do today and tomorrow or this week, what would that be?
Uh, Pay attention to your everyday action. Use a little bit of self reflection and ask yourself, do my team members feel seen? Do they feel respected or appreciated? So, this would be a really great start.
Great. Now, Karen, in closing, what is the bigger leadership lesson here?
Never underestimate the power of basic human engagement. Leadership doesn't start with a big strategy. Sometimes it starts with a simple hello.
Hello, please, and thank you. Now, if this message resonated with you, please share it with other leaders. And we will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.